Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the Jamiana clothing reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's know about what this website is basically offering to customers. Guys, from the images, one can easily understand that this website especially deals with all kinds of clothes. Now let's check some of their best products. So here are the images of some of the best products which are available at huge discounts right now. So you can check those products by visiting their official websites. Now let's talk about their payment policy. So guys, click on the payment method. Here it is, paying with PayPal. With PayPal you can send payment quickly and securely online. Through PayPal, you can pay with credit card, debit card or bank account balance. Once your order is submitted, you will be redirected to PayPal's site where you could make the payment. Now let's talk about the shipping policy, for which we need to go to the delivery section. Click on delivery section. Here they mention our estimated delivery dates are based on several factors including the destination address, the shipping options you have chosen, and how quickly we can assemble and prepare your items for shipment. For example, if you order a bodycon dress, it will be you need 3 to 5 business days of processing time and then 7 to 30 business days of shipping time if you select upper saving shipping. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make much more informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this website has been registered on 30th October 2020. And hence this is a new website and not totally reliable. Now if you want to know about the About Us page, let's check into it. Click on the About Us section. It is Jamiana offers fast fashion at designer boutique quality. Our team of professional buyers identify all the latest fashion trends. At the same time, examine every detail of product quality. They work with emerging designers and brands worldwide and together present collections of creative, trendy, high craftsmanship fashion on jamiana.com. Now if you want to know about their contact address, let's check into it. Here it is, click on the contact us section. Here they does not mention their contact address, which is a negative point for the website. Now if you want to know their email ID, so friends, here they mention their email ID, service@jamiana.com. Now let's talk about the social media presence of this website. Here is 3 social media presence, which is Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Now, if you want to know about the return and refund policy, click on the return and exchange policy. Here they mention the purchase except swimwears, bags and accessories can be returned within 15 days from the delivery date. Now, if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, so guys, this is a new website, so they does not mention the customer reviews here, and we checked in Google, there are also not such a reviews made by a single customers. So guys, if you ask about the website content quality is also not good because most of the part is copy paste from other websites. So on the basis of above discussion, we can say that it is possibly a scam, but we advise you do your own research effectively before investing your time, money in such products, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.